What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. In this video, we're checking out Pepe 2.0. This project is making so much noise. It's all over the place. It's all over my timeline. All the big influencers are already starting to talk about it. And you know, when it comes to like projects that are making the headlines as an influencer, you just have to cover it, man, because you just never know what could potentially happen with these projects, right? And if it has a strong community, a lot of people are on it, it has a ton of awareness, you know, I'm gonna check it out on the channel, guys. But as always, before I get into it, just know, not a financial advisor. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project in the space, especially when it comes to meme coins, because this is once again another meme coin. You never invest more than you're willing to lose in a project like this, but a potential 10x from here for this project, I wouldn't rule it out at all. Okay, I'm gonna get into the website, the chart, you know, a little bit of the tweets and what it's all about. And if you hold a project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will also be in the description. So this is Pepe 2.0, okay? Miss Pepe, here is your second chance, right? We saw what Pepe did, ran all the way to 1.7 billion market cap in 2 weeks, and you know how it is in the Uniswap Ethereum space, where there's always projects that are launched constantly. Hundreds, if not thousands of projects are launched every day, right? And sometimes there's projects that launch that absolutely crush it. So even if you get in at a 10 mil, 20 mil, 30 mil market cap, you could still make crazy gains on the project, right? Again, like I said, we just saw that with Pepe and a ton of other meme coins that came out after Pepe's huge explosion. Mong, Turbo, Wojak, Pole Guy, you know, a ton of meme coins came out around the same time, and majority of them hit around the 100 mil to 200 mil market cap range, right? So again, this could be another one of those, right? But again, never invest more than you're willing to lose, because your investment could go to zero when it comes to meme coins, guys. So always manage your risk. Welcome to Pepe 2.0. Miss Pepe, here's your second chance. So they're marketing themselves as, you know, another chance at Pepe. Pepe knows who he made mistakes in the past, blacklisting some investors, launching on a weekend when you were spending time with your family and friends. He wants to make things right and redo his billion-dollar run. He's a new version of himself. He is now Pepe 2.0, and the tokenomics pretty much the same as Pepe's tokenomics. 1% taxes this time instead of 0% taxes, and the ownership is renounced. Join the Pepe 2.0 revolution and meme your way to the future of finance. I'm already in the Telegram. The Telegram is super active. They're almost at 10,000 Telegram members. Pepe 2, Miss Pepe, here's your second chance. 12.6k followers on Twitter. Feels good, man. 424% up on the 24-hour. Like I said, top influencers already talking about the project. Road to billions, Pepe 2, don't miss your second chance. And again, like I said, this is high risk, high reward. Just got listed on Mexi 8 hours ago. When life gives you a second chance, take it. We are breaking record 7,700 holders in less than 48 hours. Here's your second chance at Pepe. Also got listed on BitGet. Okay, so the exchange listings are already happening, similar to how Pepe had a huge amount of exchange listings super fast. L Bank as well. Constantly, man, constantly. 5,000 plus holders. Thank you. It's just, like I said, it just absolutely came out of nowhere. When did it launch? Yesterday or so, and it just went absolutely bonkers, man. You know, absolutely bonkers, right? I'm not someone that caught this, you know, early at all. I saw it yesterday, and you know, it's up now from when I first saw it. So we'll see what continuously happens for this. Will it really hit the 1 bill market cap range like Pepe did? Even your pop is on that Pepe 2.0 wave. The memes are being made. Again, guys, this is another meme coin. No intrinsic value, no guarantee of investment, return on investment, none of that. It's just another meme coin that you know, came out and has a ton of awareness, ton of hype, but could potentially give you gains in the future, or you could lose it. Remember, guys, you could. So never invest more than you're willing to lose. If it starts popping up in your timeline, you see other influencers talking about it, never invest more than you're willing to lose, right? Pepe 2 is a movement about fairness and decentralization. We love Pepe, but the launch was not fair, and some innocent people who got lucky were blacklisted. That's why Pepe 2.0 was created, to give those who missed the original Pepe a second chance. And that's how they're marketing the project. It's already trending like a lot. Like I think I saw the trending page with it at like 2 million. No, look at it right here live for you guys to see. 5.9 million tweets for Pepe 2, right? Somebody made sheep too. It's only at 1,007 tweets. Might have to ape that. Okay, but yeah, guys, this is you know how it is when it comes to ETH, man, and the Uniswap, Degen Space. These projects launch, and high risk, high reward, man. Like I said, like a lot of people didn't expect Pepe to do what it did. They really didn't. So you can't rule out upside from here for this project, or downside. You can't rule out either possibility, right? And this is why you don't invest more than you're willing to lose. But yeah, when the influencers are on it, awareness is spreading, you know, you just never know how far it could go. It's sitting at $37.39 million in market cap. Could it pull a 10x from here, or even a few x's to 100 mil? Who knows? It might go to the 100 mil market cap range and then tap out, or go to the $1 billion market cap range. You can't rule out these possibilities, right? But again, it's high risk. It's very high risk, guys. So yeah, I just had to cover, take a look at it on the channel for you guys to see. Let me know if you're invested. You know, I know some people in my on my channel that watch are, you know, always on Ethereum, you know. So let me know if you're invested. If you hold the project, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views, guys. Spread it to the rest of the Pepe 2 community. Let's get it right out there. I'm rooting for the success of the project, guys. Let's take a look at Etherscan as well. I think the top wallet is Mexi. Yep, top wallet is Mexi Global. Somebody that has 1.3%, and then the Uniswap pool at 1.2%. So great wallet distribution here, you know. Yeah, man, we'll see what happens with it, guys. I'm rooting for the success of it. If you're holding it, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, blow the video up. And guys, please join my crypto elite tier on Patreon for buy alerts and sell alerts, and access to my private Discord. I be posting altcoins that I think that could give you guys potential 5x's to 10x's, more safer bets, right? Not as risky. They take a while for, not even a while, they take some time for the trades to eventually happen, but you know, you get those gains and you keep building your portfolio, right? Only accessible through the Patreon though. So yeah, Pepe 2 community, much love to y'all. Shout out to all of you. Will this pull a Pepe? Who knows, right? I'm rooting for it to pull a Pepe, and we'll see what happens. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.